Hey guys, how's it going? I hope everybody's healthy and you're staying safe. I just want to touch base and let you know what we're going to do from here on out. We're going to go online, of course, for the time being, if not for the rest of the semester. We'll see what happens. But I will post things on ELC. I'll revamp the syllabus, of course, and repost that, and we will go from there. Depending on which class you're in. I'm just doing this video for all of my classes for right now, just to get you started and to say hi. And sorry I'm not seeing you in person today. So what's going to happen is we'll do things online. In the 1500 classes, you're coming up on your second exam. We're almost there, so I will post that on ELC when it's time. I'll put it on the syllabus. We're not doing anything for 2 weeks, of course, because the university tells us not to assign anything or do anything. So we're going to hold tight for that and kind of shift things around, shift online. If you're in the 25-50-100 class, same thing. Just keep up with the syllabus. I will put announcements online for all of the classes, so make sure that you are keeping up with the ELC, reading announcements. I understand that Charter and Spectrum are offering free internet services for students. You can check into those things. I'll post some phone numbers that you can call online about that. If you have any issues with connectivity, you can contact the university, but please let me know if you do have issues, because we want to work with you, and this shouldn't be something that stresses you out. I'm a little stressed out, truthfully, so I don't want you to be stressed out along with me. Let me handle that load. But we'll get you through this. If you're in 3600, obviously the projects are going to change considerably, if not ended. I haven't quite decided yet what we're doing there, but don't stress out about those projects either. Just hang in there with me for a couple days while I get things sorted out and repost some syllabi. So I just want to say hi. I hope you're doing well. Stay safe, stay healthy, guys. And I will hopefully see you soon. Take care.